Hello. Now I'd like to tell about workflow site and show some screens that I made for you. Here we see uh, here we see workflow. So we have such pages, main pages when we describe who we are and how we work, design support, and list of design mm, task which can I made for our customer, digital products with your digital products, uh, common page for portfolio, and single page with portfolio which I create for you, and contact contact us page with contact form. Each page has contact form which leads to your email. So the first page mm, with a presentation. For now, it's presentation only creative capacity, but I think we can create a common presentation. It's will be look like this with vertical scrolling, and it's ended by uh, contact form. If we click design uh, support, we have main design support page with a list of our design mm, uh, design branch, brand, package, catalog, presentation, e-commerce. I decided we can add additional only e-commerce when we work with in marketplace or single e-commerce site, and web design. For example, it's a presentation site or mm, for example catalog and so on. Mobile development application, and it's ending by contact form. And here we have horizontal scrolling. We can um, we can move from here to learn more about branding system. And here, of course, we can learn more about portfolio and how we work with branding. Um, it's analytics, naming, logotype, identity system, and logo book and brand book. Each of these chapter will have own portfolio and some illustration here, and ending by contact form. Next page. Digital product uh, consists of your current um, digital product. When we press here, we can see the article about crypto stamper, know me, and other. And of course, contact form. Menu. Menu will be located on a separated page with list of all links, and we can hide it by pressing this cross. And when we in a so you see a through line burger, we can use it to show up menu here. Portfolio. Portfolio, it's a common page for portfolio where we can see all cases. All cases, or we can filter by some um, tag, for example, brand system. If we press brand system, we can see only those portfolio cases which connected to brand system. The same situation with package, catalog, e-commerce, web design, and mobile apps development. So mm, the design will be um, like this. Will be banners with link to exact case. When we press, for example, case one, we move to uh, single case. Here will be big banner. Maybe I'd like to make it like a photo, and the vertical scrolling show us some part of process or searching for idea, some big visualization, maybe mm, I don't know exactly elements of work, and last big visualization or photo, and the links to previous project, next project, and back to all projects, and of course contact form. If you press at menu contact us, you uh, will be moved to our contact page where we uh, call our customer how we work, at which time period, to which date, all emails and phones, and of course we have here um, contact form which user can fulfill and send us some message.